What is going on, Sodak Squad? Welcome back to another episode here on Sodak's Finest. Today, we don't have a lot of time today, so we're doing a 1 hour fishing challenge. I'm setting a timer on my phone for 1 hour. We got night crawlers, corn, and a bunch of different hard baits and stuff like that. We're gonna throw 2 rods out and we're gonna try to see how many species we can get in an hour. That is the goal. I would like to get over 3 species in an hour. That would be nice, but any fish would be nice as well. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel for those who have. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Click the bell, get your notifications. I would appreciate it. I think we should get into this video. If you watched my last video, you will know that my shoes had my shoes went to Mexico. They had a blowout. I feel kind of sad because I got like a really nice pair of Adidas gym shoes. Thought they'd be great for fishing because they're like super light. There's like nothing to them and they're really nice, but kind of sad that I bought nice shoes just to go fishing in. We'll see how long it takes us to destroy them. All right, on this pole, we are just gonna shut up, goose. On this pole, we're gonna throw Carolina rig with just a big juicy night crawler. Just to let anything get a nibble. On our other rod, we are gonna try to go after some toothy critters for a few minutes. We got the old spoon on, and I don't even know what this color scheme's called. Yellow, red, orange. Who knows? Let's see if it's chewable. Oh, first cast, first cast. First cast, baby. What do we got? Oh, what do we got? I don't know if I hooked him or I snagged him. He's acting kind of weird. I think I might have snagged a walleye. Or, no, it's a small pike. He went for it. First cast, pike. Yeah! Come over here, Mr. Bud. I actually brought my net today. Oh, quit running, quit running, quit running. First cast, pike on the spoon. Come here, bud, come here. Chill, you're not even that big, dude. Chill. You're not that big. Ah, come here. Come here. Well, he's hooked in the side, but since it's a pike, I'm pretty sure he went for it, but he might have just swiped it and missed it, got it in the side. I don't snag pike too often. We're gonna need a pair of pliers for dude. Hey, chill, bro, chill. I'm gonna get you undone. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. I got you, bud. I got you. All right. Nice little thick one to start off the day. Wouldn't really 100% count that as a catch since he was snagged in the side, but never snagged a pike before. I'm pretty sure he went for it and just missed. All right, see you later, bud. 1 species on the board. I'm halfway counting it. Halfway. Because I'm pretty sure he went for it, but it wasn't in his mouth. But I am counting it. First cast, baby. That's either really good luck or really bad luck. We shall see. We shall see. Can we go 2 casts in a row? I'd shit myself. Is that a fish? Or am I just snagged on something? What the hell is going on? Okay, I think I was snagged on something. Did I miss it? think I missed him. Yeah, I missed him. Damn it. All right, everybody, spot change. We got about 30 minutes of our challenge left, about halfway through in just the one halfway caught pike. But we're throwing spoon back on, got a worm out. This spot looks decently juicy. Let's see if there's anything swimming in it. We're getting bit up on this rod. Are you there, bud? Got him. Got him. Ooh, it's good too. It's good too. Pull and drag, baby, pull and drag. I think it's a big carp. Oh, he's a good one. Oh. Ooh, gee. Pretty sure it's a big carp because I can't move him, he's big. Come this way. Follow the sound of my voice. Don't spook every other fish in the river. I'm about 98% sure this is between a 5 and 10 pound carp. About 98% sure. But you never know. We're fishing with crawlers. I can see my weight. It's just fighting like a carp. He's just... where are you, bud? Where are you, bud? Oh, that didn't feel good. God, he just almost broke me off on some rocks. I can't gain any line on him. Oh, God. Jesus. Come this way. Like, I enjoy the fight, bud. Thank you. This might be our PB carp for the year. PB River Carpin'. Come here, Golden River donkey. I think it's a common. Carp. A good sized one too. Yep, it's a common. Come over here, dude. I'm sick of fighting you now. I'm done fighting you. You're fighting like it's July and it's 100 degrees out. Oh my God, come over here. Ugh. You're not super big, bud. You're a good one. Don't you wrap me up around that stick. Just got a big carp.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Just wish you'd give up already. Oh. All right, are you done, bud? Come here. I only got like 10 pound test on here, so I didn't want to crank him down too hard. Are you finally done? Are you finally done? Let's go. Oh, that's our PB for the year. That's a nice one. Jeez. That's a 15 pounder. I don't care who you are, that's 15 at least. Oh, he's thick.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
Right in the corner of the mouth of the night crawler. Oh, God. That's a big one. There's a big one. All right. Oh, God. Whew. That's a hog. That's PB for the year right there so far. That's pushing close to 20. That's a 15 plus right there. That's a tank. All right, see you later, dude. Graceful release. 100% graceful. I'm out of breath fighting that dude. That was a long fight, and he did not want to give up. Huh. Our carp bud's lost. He's still right here, right in front of us. Are you stuck there, carp bud? You gotta go out that way. Hey, you getting it? You're getting it. Oh. I think he just made it out. Oh, well, everybody, think that's wrapping it up for the day. Not a barn burner by any means, but it was a 1 hour fishing challenge. I knew we weren't gonna be catching like 20 or 30 fish today. This is just a short little video, just to try to challenge out. Hopefully we'll be doing, well, not hopefully, we will be doing this challenge again in the future. And it's only up from here because we got the one pike that I swear bit. I swear that pike bit my lure, but he was snagged right behind the gill plate in the side. So I swear he swiped at it, at least hit it, and then caught him on the side when I set the hook. But caught PB carp for the year. I'm okay with carp. I like carp. And that one was close to 20 pounds. That was a I don't know how it looked on the GoPro, but that was a heavy fish. And I've caught a lot of carp, so I got a general knowledge of their weight. But anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and drop a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel, get weekly uploads, and we'll probably be seeing you here again shortly on the next one. Thanks for everything. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.